Hello friends, right now I have one declaration. Due to some technical problem, our channel is changes the name. That is not the educational hub. Right now it will be the key of education zone. From today our channel name is Key of Education Zone. Our motto concept will be the similar but just only the name is changed. Now let's start today's topic, that is C programming language. It is our lecture 1. Here we will discuss the all theoretical concept and the basic concept of C programming language, which is very basic and very much needed to know a programming language. Directly you can write down the several codes or something others, but why you are writing this logic, at first you have to know if you want to be a good programmer. For that purpose, this type of concept is very much needed. So don't skip it. Follow the video thoroughly. You will get several that information which you never able to get. आज हम आप लोगों के सामने सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जो है उसकी डिटेल बता रहे हैं, वो क्या है, किस तरीके से करते हैं, उसका जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है वही हम इस फर्स्ट लेक्चर में शो करेंगे। इसको पूरा थॉरोली देखिए ताकि आपको कोई भी तरीके के लॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम ना हो प्रोग्राम करते वक्त। इसी वजह से आज हम लोग ये लेक्चर बनाए हैं। Only for those students who want to learn C language, please don't skip, follow it thoroughly. आप लोग इसको thoroughly देखिए तो आपको प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज पूरा हो जाएगा। इसके बाद आपको प्रोग्राम करते वक्त लॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम या कुछ कंसेप्चुअल प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, ये मेरा वादा है। सो चलिए हम लोग शुरू करते हैं आज का प्रोग्रामिंग। व्हाट इज सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? Actually, what is the language? To communicate. Here also, to make the communication between computer and user, the C language. It's very basic. It is the procedural language. Now here, you can able to see that there are several things is given. First, you have to know the concept of token in C. Token means what you are using, that is called token. A specification, what you are using only for C, that is token. There are several tokens you can able to get: variable, data type, constant, string literal, operator, white space, etc. Yes, this what are that we will discuss right now. At first I am telling about string literal. What is that? Within double quotes, whatever you are writing, this all are string literal. Maybe A, maybe B, maybe 13, maybe A13. Everything what you are writing within double quotes is string literal. Next the terms is coming operator. By the name you can able to get to operate something, just like addition operation, some arithmetical operation, and addition is one of the example of arithmetical operation, any type of logical operation, and or not. This all you can do by using the operator, that is operator. Next is coming our different types of thing, that is our data type. Basically, there are three types of data: user-defined data type, primary data type, and derived data type. Now, elaborately, when we try to discuss, then the data types will be classified according to this order of integral type. Integral type means what? Integral type means the integer are stored in various sizes. These are known as integral type. Now, for example, we can see shortened int something. Int means integer. Here, whatever you are giving, This all are known as integer. Now it is primary. Now we can derive long int, short int, unsigned int for purpose of solving our data storing. Basically integer store 2 bytes data. If you need more, if you need less, then according to that you can change. See here, several others others are integral type. Character. Character means it will store alphanumeric values. Float. Float means it will take the values of decimal or fractional values. It also primary. So the primary is 3. That is integer, float and character. Now we can derive them: long int, short int, long char, unsigned char, long float, double, etc. These all are derived. I think it is clear right now. Data type, what is primary, what is derived. Now user defined data type. In our next lecture it will be very much clear, but till I am giving you some example that suppose you need 50 students with name and roll number. There you have to give this type. And another way we can classify it, I already told, that is integral type. These all are. Now the floating point number. What is this floating point number? Floating point number or the rational number. You have idea about rational number. Whatever you can express, that is rational number. Now all the sign numbers, float, all are approximately maybe 6 decimal digit. Now typically to store this 4 bytes mean how many bits? 1 byte means 8 bit, 824 bit signed. We have to make a mantissa of 8-bit signed exponent. Actually what we did here we will make two things. Just follow the video I am telling you. Now for double means float ka double hai. Just it will changes. So approximately it will store 14 decimal. So for storing this type of 14 decimal, so typically 56 bit. Here we need the mantissa concept. Mantissa means the exponent part will be there. That means any fractional values, whatever it will come, we can make it into 10 to the power of that. That will be expressed as floating point number. I think you can able to get floating point number means what the fractions is coming, there we will make it floats. Okay, now the concept is coming. So after this level you can able to get what is data type. Now the terms is coming constant. When you are writing any program, there you have to write something which throughout the program whose value will not change, that are nothing but constant. There are several types of constant: integer constant, float constant, character constant, string constant, whatever. But right now I am discussing about the numerical concept. Constant means the values may not change. I think you can able to get that. What is that? See here, I'm just making one reading. You can able to get that from there also. Constant like 12.253 are stored in integer type. Is it possible? It will take only the whole number if it is integer type. No decimal points. So it will take 12. L are stored in long int. This way, what the values you are storing, maybe integer, maybe float, maybe character. If you store once, that value will be up to the end of the function, end of the program, the end of your software, what way you will declare, that way it will be depend. that values may seem unchanged, that will be termed as constant. Suppose I will tell you 5. The value of 5 always 5, not 6, not 4. Got it? So this is constant. So I think right now you can able to get what is constant. If it is integer type, then integer value it will take. If it is derived any data type, long int, short int, that way that values will be. Basically the concept of constant is that is the value will be not change. Okay, I think clear. So till now we read different data types, constant, tokens. So after this level I think you are make it clear. If you have any doubt and any type of query, give us comment. We will try our level best to solve it. Now after the constant, that means the values. Next the concept is coming character or string constant. Character or string constant, a single character in a single quotes are stored in the character. One thing you have to remember here, in case of constant and also for variable also, what the integer or float value you can give, just equal sign there you can give. But for character and string, there you have to give within it single quotes. Okay. Some special character, I'm telling character will take alphanumeric values. Why? Because some special character, some numeric values, all within single quotes if it is coming, it will be treated as our that is character type. Now here something special, escape sequence is there. See here, \n, \t, \, backslash, double quotes. These are the values which gives you some specification. It is called escape sequence. This is, please learn, \n means new line, \t means tab, \slash means or \slash quotes means double quotes. These character constants are also written as ASCII codes. Whatever we are writing in our computer, it will be converted to the ASCII codes. What is ASCII or details? If you know, then it is better. If you forget, then go to the basic theory lecture. It is already given. Therefore, please study it, because the basic concept is needed. Then only you can learn the programming language. Now, therefrom, you will get this. A sequence of character enclosed in double quotes is called the string constant or string literal. So after this level, you know right now what is constant. Now the terms is coming variable. By the name you can able to get. You can ask me along with me. Please tell. Variable means the values is changing. Variable values is changing. Obviously, whose value? Just a variable means whenever you are declaring a allocation, a memory allocation will be there. After that, whenever as per your need, you can give your values. I think you can able to get right now. It may be a valid identifier, must not be a keyword. Must not be the keyword. Keyword concept already I think you know, you have that is what the values you are giving, that is keyword. What the specification, what the token you are giving. Now for variable whose value is changing, that is variable. Here also several types of variable you can able to get. Integer type, float type, your character type, or any other. Now if that type of variable means that type of values you can store. But variable means suppose a. a integer variable I'm store. Here I can give the values 5 for our need. Somebody gives 7, somebody 8. Whatever the values are changing. The basic concept is value may change. Got it? I think it is right now clear. What is variable? Variable means the values are changing. So, what we are giving, this all are variable. Now see here, the library commonly used name, that is whatever the library name. Here I have to give you the concept. When in our next example lecture, there I will explain what is the library functions and other details. I will write down there a code directly in front of you, and there I explain all the terms is coming. Here I am explaining the basic theoretical concept. If you want to learn something, their characteristics, their basicness you need. Suppose a person, you want to know a person, who are his like, dislike, etc. You have to know. Here also the same thing. At first you know it, then I will explain others. Okay. So here, though it is written in our, you can able to see in your screen the library functions and others. I am not explaining it right now properly because I will give you one example lesson, example lecture. Just it will upload it today, and there also, that is the lecture 2, therefrom you will able to get it clear, because at a time I don't want. Now the declaration, how to declare a variable, that you have to know. Declaration types is, at first you have to write down the data type, then space, then the variable name. At a time, single data types, more than one variable you can declare by giving comma, comma, comma. On the screen you can able to see, for example, int a, comma b, comma c, suppose d. So a, b, c, d, this 4 variable are integer type. So how to declare, I think it is right now clear to you. The data type, then variable, and you can give any assignment also there. Suppose there is a concept that it will take some values, maybe garbage values. Garbage values means from memory a random values it is taking. To avoid that, we can give the assign. How to assign? Data type, then space, var, then equal to the expression. That means maybe 0, maybe 1. I'm giving initialized by this, or I'm giving some values of that variable. That is the declaration type of variable. Say for example, int sum equal to 0. Character new line n, backslash n. I already told you backslash n means new line. Float. This all type of you can able to give. So how to declare variable? I think it is right now clear. Variable, that means whose values is changing. Maybe integer type, maybe float type, maybe character type. But the best motto is constant means the values will be remain same, but variable means its value is changing. I think it is right now clear to you. So what is variable and how to declare it? I think it is very much clear to you right now. So the concept is data type, and these are clear. Now this variable we can declare two way, globally or locally. Now what is global declaration? See here, when we write down any program, first of all we have to declare some library function. I will discuss in our next lecture. I already told it to you. Now after that, everything, just like here also our life begins with a mother, here also our program begins with a function, that is main function, just like mother. Now, before declaring this main function, just wherever you are declaring our just the library function, there if you declare, see here in the screen you can able to see float type a declarations is given here, float pi 3.14. It is declared just below the library function. Here before any function it is declared, that is global declaration. Global declaration means if you declare this variable, maybe several functions in your program and you are using this all functions, but all functions will get that variable values. They can able to access these values. But within a function, if you declare the variable, that will be termed as local variable. I will see it to you also. See, just see here, I am showing it. In the main function, I am showing float there, float another variable. So when the float pi was there, that is before any type of function declaration, that was global. And within the function, see here within the main function, I am writing the float rate. It is right now our nothing but local declaration. So local declaration within a function, and its scope is also within the function. So the variable's values, variable action is within the function. It is local. And when it is globalized beyond any function throughout the program, you can use it. That is global. So the terms is global declaration, local declaration. That way, global variable, local variable. Got it? Global variable, local variable. I'm repeat it once more. Global variable, local variable. Global means it is used for all functions within the program. Local variable used for only the function. Okay, I think it is clear right now. Global variable, local variable. The definition is given on your screen and I am explaining the terms. So I think it is right now clear to you. You can follow several books also, but the main motto is how to know, to learn, to realize. Only for that purpose I am giving you these lessons. So it is clear right now. Now global local concept of variable is clear. So what is variable, how to declare, what are the different types of variable according to the size, then you have to tell integer, float, etc. According to the declaration, there the global and local concept will come. Okay, so this term, right now we start the next one, that is operator. Operator means what? Operator means by which we can do something. Any action, any work, at first in our memory it is coming addition, subtraction, etc. So these all are arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Now here plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus operator, all are involved. Our modulus operator giving by the percentage sign. Now here one concept is there. See here, I already give you an example on your screen. The one concept is there, it will follow the Budmarsh rule. It is the operator precedence. We will discuss, but right now also I am telling. So in arithmetic operator, what we are getting? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay, so all these are our arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is essential for our any type of arithmetic operation. Here also I am giving you the example. You can able to follow. I am not explaining this example. I am showing you in another example. See on the screen. 3 minus 4 into 7. So according to the Badmash rule, at first division, at first bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. That rules will be followed here. Okay, so that way the arithmetic operator will work. Next, here you are telling, I am telling already, modulus operator. From the first class, make it sure what is the difference between division and modulus operator. In case of division, that will gives you, suppose x division y, it will gives you the quotient value. But in case of modulus operator, x modulus, that means percentage sign, y, you can follow the screen also, it will give you the remainder value. If I divide x by y, then what will be the remainder that you can get from this modulus value? So percentage sign means modulus operator gives you the remainder and quotient gives you by divide. Make it sure, make it clear. Okay, so for example, it is very much clear right now. Suppose 5 divided by 2. So if I divide 5 divided by 2, the quotient will 2 will come, it will by divide sign, and remainder 1 will come for your modulus sign. I think it is clear right now. Next, type conversion. Type conversion means what? There are two type of type conversion: implicit time conversion, explicit type conversion. Means by default, explicit means externally I am changing that integer data type will be changed to the float, or by internally if it is changed, then it will be termed as our implicit type conversion. Type conversion means what? The type is changing. From the screen you can able to see the operator of binary operator must have the some type and the result also in the same time. But if you are changing that, then the type conversion is coming. Suppose I am writing int a, int b, int c. Now when int a divided by b quotient c gives you the value, I want to store it in a float. By default it will be comes as float. But when you want to store it in a float, then the fractional is coming. So from integer it is converted. Or directly what's the value is coming? Maybe integer. Now I am writing explicitly, I am giving it the data type float, and there I am converting. This is called type converting. Now here automatic typecasting is also possible. Default, if it is what the values is coming, it is changing. Suppose a float values is there, when I give the integer, then it is only take the whole part, the fractional part omitted. This is automatically changes. This type of change is known as automatic typecasting. Automatic typecasting means any type of character, any type of short character. It is right now long character or it is short character we need. That it is automatically changes its type. That is called automatic typecasting. I think what is typecasting? Explicit typecasting, implicit typecasting, and automatic typecasting is right now clear to you. If it is not yet clear, if you have any doubt or any question, ask us by given command. I am always eager to solve your program. So, if you have any problem, please do it. One thing you have to be clear. Whenever you are coming for any computer science subject, that means computer science, computer means what? Just execution of program. They are here to execute the program. if they are here to execute the program, so the programming language concept will be very clear, then only you can stand here. So to make it clear, this video is very important. So follow it. If you have any doubt, any query, any question, gives us. Okay? No other talking, just come to back to our topic right now. So here what we are doing, it is we are discussing about typecasting. I am declaring it several times, I am showing it several times, because typecasting, it's a very vertigious part of your C language. When even anybody gives you any interview, there these questions are several times asked. That's why I'm telling you so many talking. That is, typecasting means type conversion. Type means data type conversion. Okay, what way it is possible? Implicit means by default computer way it is complete. Explicit means by external force or general way, by using user change the type. Okay, and automatically, that is nothing but implicit also. This is automatically changes. That means system change it. So if system change it, it is called implicit or automatically. If it is explicit, that means user's involvement is there. Okay, so is it clear? The general form of typecasting operator is called type name expression. It is generally good practice to use explicit typecast, really automatic type conversion. Okay, float to int to float, double to float, this type of conversion, if the user take part there, it is called explicit typecasting. Clear? If not, make it clear. Pause the video, follow the screen, so my voice is all will help you to make it clear. Now here I have to learn about the next topic, operator precedence or the precedence of order. I've already told you that it will follow the Budmash rule. Now till now I have to tell you what way. At first the brackets activity, then multiplication, then addition. Before that also, if the increment decrement part is coming, that at first will come. How the order will come, it is a screenshot of a book. I told you that is there. I am telling what the order they are giving, what way the precedence order, the priority of operator is choosing. This all are part of our arithmetic operation. That's why I explain it up to this level in arithmetic operator. Make it clear. If you have any doubt, any question, follow it. Here I am telling you operator precedence is follow the Budmash rule. Till what operator will be prior, follow the screen. Next we are coming to the relational operator. Relational operator means by the name we can able to get relation, but here just not like human beings relation is there. Here what we have to do, here we have to follow whether it is lesser than, greater than, lesser than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, this type of relation between left side and right side. These are expressed as logical operator. Just follow the screen. Operator operand 1, relational operator operand 2. For example, int a equal to 5, int a lesser than 5, int a lesser than b. These type of relation that means both the operand is there. Between them, what the relation, if it is established, then what the operator is needed to establish the relation, that is nothing but our relational operator. So the relational operator, arithmetic operator, I think clear. Relational operator is also about to clear. Here only you have to show the relation. That means what is the relation between these two. So I think it is right now clear what is relational operator. Relation establishment between left side and right side operand by using which operator it is done, that is called relational operator. Clear? Example is given on the screen. You can follow from there. So two operator right now clear to us, arithmetic operator and relational operator. I am giving, I think it is right now you are thinking that a relational operator is very easy, but till I am showing it several times because in case of several expression you may face problem. So two levels is clear. Next we will task to next one operator. In this lecture my motto is to up to the all operator I will tell you. But if you have any problem, you give such command. And in next lecture, I will show you some very small program. Okay? So relational operator, clear. Let's go to the next one. Next one, that is our operator. Next one is logical operator. Logical means by logic. And if some conditions is given, if you are the student of this class and you are this section, means both the condition you have to satisfy. Either you are college student or school student, or you are computer science literal student. This logic will be logical. Next is coming assignment operator. Some values is assigning. A equal to B. Relation that was given equal to sign. That means a relation, equality relation. But in case of assignment, I am giving some values. A plus equal B. That means A equal to A plus B. That means in A, the value of A plus B is assigning. That is assignment operator. I repeat once again. Some value is assigning. A plus equal B. A star equal B. That means within A, the value of A star B, that means A into B value will be assigned. So that is assignment operator. Got it? I think it is right now clear. Logical, arithmetic, relational and assignment. We cover up 4 operator. I think up to this level it is clear. I am telling you once more, assignment operator, when generally form of assignment operator is when a variable and an operator in binary arithmetic operator. This is the statement equivalent to assignment of any values within the operator. So this is called assignment operator, whose value is coming. Here one thing more is coming. You may confused with the implicit conversion. Explicit conversion is done. There the assignment operator, there you can able to get this implicit values addition assignment. Here also you will get that way. I will explain when we will do our program. There we can able to explain. but till I am telling it, just a few words. So here all the descriptions is given on the screen. Just follow once, you can able to get what is assignment operator. Now after that we have to tell you the next one operator, that is nothing but increment and decrement operator. Increment decrement values, that is the values incremental or decremental. Here one concept is there. Plus means increment, minus means decrement. Now one thing more you have to learn, if it is a plus plus, that is post increment. So at first it will gives you the value, then it will increment its value. Post decrement, this is post decrement a minus minus. That means at first suppose it is a is 1, then it will give 1, then the value is decrease or increase by value 1. But plus a, at first it will increase its value, then it show it to you. If it is a equal to 1, then plus a means 2. At first it will increase its value by 1. This is called increment value. Increment and decrement, mostly you have to learn two topics mainly. Post increment, a plus plus, a minus minus, decrement purpose. Plus a, minus a, that is decrement, pre-decrement. Am I clear? Post decrement, pre-decrement, post increment, pre-increment. Clear? From the example, here you can see, here is one example is given. Let a b equal to 10. Then plus b plus b plus b. Plus b means pre-increment. So the values is at first increased. Increase means 11. Now the b value is 11. Now plus b means b also right now 11. And another b is also 11. That means it is pre-increased. So it is gives you 33. Got it? Clear? Rest examples is also given. You can study. Therefrom it will be clear. Now floating point arithmetic. Floating point arithmetic means its representation, all the floating points number. Already I discussed to some extent the mantissa part or something, such as d1 is non-zero, b is the base, and p is the precision of the number of significant digit. Then e is called the exponent. All this puts together have finite number of bits, usually 32 or 64 bits of storage. This is called our representation of floating point arithmetic. See here, just one example is given, 23.7. We can write down in floating point as plus 0.32375, etc. So basically what you have to do, if you have a whole number and a fractional part, in case of floating point arithmetic, it will be fully converted to the fractional part and the rest will be terms in 10 to the power order. That is the exponent order. This is the representation technique of floating point number. This is called floating point arithmetic also. So what way it is declaring, I think from this example you make it clear. Now here we have some representation technique also. I am showing it on your screen. That is sk equal to x of b to the power k minus 1, where x is lesser than bk. Here the number of elements of each sk is same as the previous examples of 900. So what way you have to do? I think up to this level, the basic concept is done. It is clear. So from this lecture, what you able to get, you follow that. And if you think you are getting something, then don't forget to follow our channel, because just our few hours after, I will explain by using some program also. So if you want to learn the C program, then don't forget to follow this lectures. At the end, we are about the end of this lecture, so I am once again telling this all. If you make it clear, then don't forget to jot it down, memorize it. And already I told you our channel name is changed. That is, it is right now KEZ, that is the key of educational zone. So thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel to get more and more video. Thank you for listening this video.